Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to find all live videos on Instagram and basically how to watch live videos without following someone on Instagram. It's actually very easy and simple to do. So first things first, you guys just want to navigate over to the Instagram application and open that up. So I'll just click on my folder here and open up Instagram. Once you guys are on Instagram, you want to go to the search tab here at the bottom. So it's just the second tab from your left. So you just want to go ahead and click on the search, and then you want to click on IGTV, that little tab up the top under the search. Once you click on that, you just have to wait for it to load, and you'll see something here that says live now. So if you just go ahead and click on see all here, you will see all the live videos currently on Instagram. So you guys can just navigate through here and click on one that you want to see. If you want to refresh it, just swipe down from the bottom and it will change up the live videos that are available here for you. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys where to find this on Instagram with the new update. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.